we are here in first floor. Welcome to Environmental Engineering Laboratory. And the Environmental Engineering Laboratory has an area of 144 square meters, and it is well equipped to meet the academic requirements of undergraduate program and for full-fledged consultancy activities in the field of water and wastewater quality analysis. Here these are the list of equipments and a list of experiments for undergraduate civil engineering program, and modern equipments are added periodically, keeping abreast of latest technological advancements, which in turn helps us to render assistance to the students in carrying out innovative projects and to maintain stringent quality and accuracy in our test procedures. So in this laboratory we use only quality brand chemicals like Merck and Qualigens for accuracy and reliability of results. So the major list of equipments are atomic absorption spectrophotometer. So this atomic absorption spectrophotometer is used to determine the heavy metals which is present in water and wastewater. The heavy metals such as chromium, zinc, copper and aluminum and other heavy metals also can be determined by using this atomic absorption spectrophotometer. And we have a digital dissolved oxygen analyzer. From this we can analyze dissolved oxygen level in water as well as air. And we have a sound level meter, and this sound level meter is used to determine the ambient noise in the environment. And we have a muffled furnace wherein we can find total fixed solids and volatile solids to burn at an elevated temperature. And a hot air oven is also applicable for the measurement of total solids and suspended solids and dissolved solids content in water as well as wastewater. And we have other equipments such as digital pH meter and digital turbidity meter and BOD incubator, and some of the experiments are pH, turbidity, and to measure the hardness and all the water quality characteristics as well as wastewater quality characteristics also analyzed in this laboratory. In addition to that, we are doing some consultancy services to the outside agencies for the suitability of water for construction as well as the drinking purposes and industrial uses. And this is jar test apparatus which is used for the determination of optimum coagulant dosage, and we have a high speed stirrer and research centrifuge. The postgraduate students in our department normally use this equipments for their projects, and they use the chemicals which is available in environmental laboratory for their projects, and they use a magnetic stirrer and hot plates and chemicals, and the chemicals are arranged in such a way, all the chemicals are having this safety standards, and this magnetic stirrer is used to stir the chemicals, and hot plate is used for chemical reactions and heating, and separate heating mantles also available in our laboratory. And we have a COD refluxing unit to find out the chemical oxygen demand, and this is a high air sampler, and this sampler is used for measurement of PM10 and PM2.5 in the ambient air. And thank you for this video.